In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business email using Google Workspace in just 3 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger company, having a professional email can really enhance your brand's credibility and organization. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Google Workspace. Open your web browser and search for Google Workspace. Click on the appropriate result to access the service. Once you're there, look for and click on the Admin Console. This is your hub for managing all things within your Google Workspace environment. Next, you'll want to log in using your business email. It's important to enter the correct credentials so that you have access to all necessary administrative features. If you encounter any trouble logging in, double check your email and password for any typos. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see a grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps menu. Click on that icon and from the drop down select the admin icon. This will take you to the main administrative settings for your domain. In the admin console, look for the directory option. Clicking on this will open up your directory settings. As you manage user accounts, the directory will become your go-to area to see all existing users and make any necessary changes. From the directory, proceed by clicking on Users. This opens up a list of current users within your organization. To add a new business email, find and click on the Add New User button. This is where you will begin setting up the details for the new account. You'll start by typing in the first name of the person for whom you're creating the email. After you've entered the first name, move on to the last name. It's important to ensure that both the first and last names are accurate, as these will form part of the user's email identity within your organization. Then you'll need to set up the primary email address. This will be the main point of contact for this new user. If necessary, you can also add a secondary email for backup or additional communication purposes. This can be especially handy if there are issues accessing the primary email. Finally, after you've filled out all necessary information, click on the Add New User button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new business email account. This user is now ready to access their new professional email and start communicating on behalf of your organization. This process is straightforward and, as promised, can be accomplished in mere minutes, giving you more time to focus on the important tasks of running your business. That wraps up our guide for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials if you found this helpful.